welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this look. This is my everyday makeup routine for when I'm going to school or going out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn the notification button on, and let's get into the video. To start out, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Brow Boss in the shade Light Brown. I'm just going to be filling any sparse areas in my eyebrows. And then I'm going to be using the spoolie at the end of this little pencil to brush the product through. Now I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to be using this to outline my eyebrows and clean them up, and then using this as a primer so we have a base to put our eyeshadow on. Now I'm using this little fluffy brush that has no name on it, and I'm just going to be blending out the concealer. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be using this shade White Chocolate on a big fluffy eyeshadow brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to use that to set the concealer. Now going in with the shade Salted Caramel on a big fluffy crease brush from Morphe. I'm just going to be blending that and putting that inside the crease. Now using that same crease brush from Morphe and going into the palette with the color Semi Sweet, we're going to be putting that in the outer V and dragging it into the crease. Now I'm going in with Champagne Truffle from the palette on a Morphe eyeshadow brush, the same one that we used from earlier. And I'm just going to be packing on the shade. Now I'm using the Lastblast Fusion from CoverGirl in the color Very Black, and I'm just going to be applying this to my top eyelashes. Now going back in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the shade Fair. We're just going to be applying this underneath the eye, and then going back in with that same fluffy brush, we're just going to blend it in. And I'm also putting the concealer on any red spots or acne. Now I'm taking the Naked Cosmetics Translucent HD Finishing Powder with that same brush, and I'm just going to be applying it to my under eye so the concealer does not crease. Now I'm just going back in with that mascara and applying it to my lower lashes. Now I'm just going in with the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, and I'm just going to be using this to contour with. And I'm going in with a Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess, and I'm just going to be using this to warm up the skin. Now I'm taking the Nomad Illuminating Highlighting Powder in the shade Midnight Sun. And then I'm going to be applying it with my Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. And I'm just going to be applying it to the high points of my face to give a nice glow from within. Now I'm just applying Vintage by Liebeskind in the color Pink Sequence. I'm just using that to give a nice shine and glow. Now I'm just going to be using the Morphe setting spray to set my face, and it's just going to help melt all the makeup into my skin and make it look natural. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed my everyday makeup look. I don't wear foundation every single day, so if you wear foundation, you can just add that into the routine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you recreate it, make sure to tag me on Twitter or Instagram, and I would definitely love to see that. If you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the description box. And you are beautiful, and I love you guys.